Okay, we'll continue the discussion from the last video. Okay, so we are in the Tony editor. So we will go to the debug mode and go line by line. Okay, so debug mode, it will start from the first line and it will go to the next line. Okay, so it will identify all the function block at once because these two lines are indented, so they are inside the function block. Okay, these are in a different indentation level, so they are outside of the function. So up to here all the statements are inside the function block, so it identifies the function block here. It will not do anything here because we haven't called the function block. It will not enter the function block. It will skip the function block and go to the next line. Okay, so in next line we have this line, and here there is a equal sign. This is an assignment operator, so it's supposed to assign whatever with the value in the right hand side to the left hand side. Okay, so now it will concentrate on the right hand side. Okay, so there's a function call, so first it have to identify the input arguments. Okay, so it will identify the input argument 5, and it, because it's a function call, it will go here and it will plug in the value 5 for the parameter radius. Okay, so that's what this will do next. So it looking at the function call with the value 5. So it plug in the radius 5 here. Okay, it plug in the value radius 5 to the parameter and go to the next line. So here again there's an assignment operator, so it will focus on the right hand side. Okay, so there is a function call, so it have to concentrate on the two input arguments. Okay, so first it will look at the two inputs arguments, this guy. So when it look at the first argument, before executing this, so here it's a round function, so first it have to execute this and round it to 2. Okay, now it's going to execute this one, but before evaluating this expression, it's have to identify these values. Okay, first it will identify the values and then it will execute this expression, evaluate this expression, not execute, sorry, evaluate. Okay, so first it's need to identify mpi. Okay, so for that it has to go to the library, math library file. Okay, to identify the value. So this m is we imported math as m, so it going for that file. Okay, this is where that file is stored. Okay, and it will take out the value of pi from there. Okay, so this is the value of pi stored in the math module. Okay, it went to that module and took the value. Now it need to take the value for radius, which is 5 here because we put the 5 in the parameter. Okay, so it will look at this radius value and it will make it 5. Now we identify both the values. Now it have to evaluate this expression. Now it will focus on the order of parameters. These exponents have a higher precedence over this multiplication. When you have two stars, it's exponent, and exponent have a higher precedence over multiplication. Okay, so next it will evaluate the exponent 5 squared and replace that value with 25. Okay, 5 squared and here we go 25. Now there is a multiplication, so it can evaluate the multiplication next and get the value. Okay, it's going to multiply the 2, and this is the value you get from multiplication. So the one argument of the round function has been figured out. Now it will look into the other argument. Okay, 2. Now what round function supposed to do? Round this argument to 2 decimal spaces. Okay, so it will round it to 2 decimal spaces, and output the results. When function returns the value, this line going to get replaced by the output of the round function, which is this is rounded to 2 decimal places. Okay, so see 78.54. okay, it got rounded up to 2 decimal places. So it get this round function get replaced by 78.54, which is the return value of the round function. Okay, that will get assigned into area. And that area value will get returned. Okay, now it will return and go to the code where the function call is there, and it will return this value. See, area got stored 78.55 now in this line, and now it comes to return area, it will return the value. Okay, it returned the 78.54. this function area call get replaced by the returned value. No, so now this value will get assigned into output. Okay, now output contains this value 78.54. now come to the print function, it will look at the input argument again. Okay, now this is the output of value goes into the print function. What print function supposed to do is print this value into the screen. Okay, it will print the value into the screen 78.54. okay, why there is this none value? None value is the return value of the print function. Okay, when function don't, so print function don't return anything, in that case function take it return value as none. Okay, so hope it cleared. Okay, this thing is starting. I will discuss the rest in another video. Hope this part is clear for you. Okay, so okay, I will stop here.